Britain's defense secretary on Wednesday stressed the game-changing role of Turkish drones in modern warfare in the Middle East and North Africa, Anadolu reports. We need to look at the lessons of others. Look how Turkey has been operating in Libya, where it has used Bayraktar TB-2 WAV since mid-2019, Ben Wallace told a virtual gathering of the Air and Space Power Conference. Those WAVs have conducted intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance and targeting operations against front lines, supply lines and logistics bases. In July last year they struck the Libyan National Army-controlled Jufa airfield, destroying several command and control nodes as well as 2 transport aircraft, he added, referring to a force under Khalifa Haftar, a renegade warlord fighting Libya's UN-recognized government. Last year, Turkey and Libya signed a pact on defense cooperation. On Turkey's counter-terrorism operations in northern Syria, he underlined the success of lightly armed drones used there.
I consider Turkey's involvement in Syria and its use of electronic warfare, lightly armed drones, and smart ammunition to stop tanks, armored cars, and air defense systems in their tracks, he said.
According to reports, the Assad regime suffered heavy losses: soldiers, 151 tanks, 8 helicopters, 3 drones, 3 fighter jets, vehicles and trucks, 8 aerial defense systems and 1 headquarters, among other military equipment and facilities, he said. Even if only half of these claims are true, the implications are game-changing.